we planned very early on in part of our AHB formation, and we were going to engage with all the local universities, obviously being located near or located in the university city in Sharjah. So we're very close physically to all of the institutions here. So we reached out to them at the beginning of the year. That's through HCT, Sharjah University, and AUS, American University of Sharjah, who were all very receptive to what we were planning. And with their guidance, we asked them to obviously send through CVs, send through obviously students from all different faculties. We're not just focusing on computer science. And our aim has always been just to expose what the business life or what the commercial world is to the students. So the way that we actually went about it is that we're not just giving sort of boring tasks or tasks just for them to sit there. We're involving them in actual projects that we're doing. We're there with Shadow, maybe the developer, Shadow maybe our head of customer value creation, and by that they basically get to see what is out there in terms of actual work-life possibilities for them.
My name is Satish Vasu. I am the Chief Customer Value Creation Officer for Baikal.ai. Currently I am sitting in the head office, which is located in Sharjah Research and Technology Innovation Park. I am basically a challenge statement identifier. I work with the industry in understanding the challenge statements, and then I work with domain experts within our organizations who have 20 to 30 years of experience working in a particular industry or government. And these domain experts work with me in further defining the challenge statements and how artificial intelligence and data science can solve these challenge statements.
Alaikum. My name is Mustafa. I am the head of the AI infrastructure at AHB in SRTIP. Before joining the SRTIP, I was a senior general manager for a Toyota and worked for 24 years in Saudi Arabia. I was heading their IT operation, which was across the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We were having 200 plus outlets and 53 people of different nationalities were reporting to me. We are the founding member of this AHB, and we are bringing the frontier technology to this part of the world, which we are going to set up as an HPC as a service in SRTIP. HPC stands for high performance computing, and the main differentiator what we bring to this market is a water cooled. It is a first type of the water cooled technology in this part of the world, and our partner for this is from the Lenovo. And we have the water and cooling partner, DCT. And for network and security, we are working with Americom. We have our team, which is ready for this, and they are expert in HPC and network and security. So we look forward for a successful implementation of an HPC in SRTIP.
My name is Maykhel De Leon. I'm a software development engineer at Baikal.ai. At Al-Hatbur, we are more than just a product development company. We are innovators, explorers, and above all, we are problem solvers. Our purpose is not merely just to create technology, but to harness it and solve real-world problems. At Al-Hatbur Baikal, we are shaping the future by creating it.
My name is Mark, and I'm the marketing head for HB. Before coming here, actually, I've been doing marketing online. Majority of my time spent creating websites, creating marketing collaterals, doing outreach to prospects, and also I've been doing events marketing also with a US-based real estate company.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. موجود معاكم هنا النهارده أحمد البنا، مهندس شبكات وسكيورتي لشركة الحتبور بايكل للذكاء الاصطناعي. موقعنا هنا في مجمع شارع التكنولوجيا والبحوث والابتكار. أنا شخصيا عندي خبرة في السيستم انتجريتور لمدة 8 سنوات في دبي والشارقة وأبو ظبي. خدت شهادات من شركة سيسكو، فورتينت ومايكروسوفت. هنا شغلي هنا بيكون في الحتبور بايكل مسؤول عن الشبكات ومسؤول عن السكيورتي ومسؤول عن الباور والكولينج للداتا سنتر.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raneesh Abdulkalam. I'm working as HPC specialist in Al Hatbur Baikal AI. We are providing HPC as a service. We are one of the first water-cooled HPC data center in Sharjah. I was working as an IT manager in Speedos group of companies, where I manage IT infrastructure, vendor management, product support. My role as HPC specialist involves design, collaborating, operation of HPC data center, day-to-day operations, performance management, patch management, collaborating with vendor for support